So good evening, everyone. On behalf of All India Educators Forum, warm welcome to this Speak to Success program. Now, they say that, yesterday was the Stone Age, and today everyone is talking about artificial intelligence and computers and technology. But tomorrow definitely belong to people who can communicate well. That is the art that one has to possess if you want to achieve success in any field, and especially for teachers. We are all, lions in our own classroom, but I have seen that many times when we step out of our comfort zone, it becomes a tedious task. So that is why we thought that we'd launch this program for our teachers. And we will have this wonderful 4-part session. The trainer is going to be Nina, and her credentials are that she has been an educator like me and like all of us for more than 2 decades. And she has been, I think, more than 10 years with the All India in All India Radio. She's a newsreader there, and she's a podcaster and author and so on. So other things you will gradually come to know about her. So I welcome you all to this program. Today is the orientation session where you will just get an idea of what the program is all about and who all can benefit, and what is the main aim, and how you can focus on these 4 sessions and do something greater after the session. So I invite Nina to take the orientation session, and if you have any doubts, probably at the end of the session we can have a Q&A session to clarify those also. And we are starting this program from the 1st of July, Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6:30 onwards. So it's over to you, Nina.
Thank you, Matthew, for the awesome introduction. And thank you, All India Educators Forum, for giving me this opportunity to connect with everyone over here. And thank you to all the awesome participants over here who had found precious time to attend this session. Thank you so much. Before I begin, again, I would like to request everyone to mute themselves. If your camera is on, it will be really wonderful, but a request to mute yourself. Miss Sheba Thomas, could you please mute yourself? Thank you. On the occasion of Children's Day, the teachers had prepared a wonderful program for the kids, like we all do. The entire auditorium, the school auditorium, was buzzing with excitement. Every pair of eyes was curious. Every little heart was filled with joy. Why not? It was that time of the year, that day, that moment for every student to sit back, relax, enjoy, and evaluate the evaluator's performance. As everyone settled, onto the stage came the most popular person, the most popular teacher. And he introduced himself like this. Hello, मेरा नाम है प्रेम, प्रेम चोपड़ा नहीं, प्रेम खिलनानी. And the entire auditorium was filled with laughter, applause, and it was very difficult to compare whether the laughter sound was more or the applause sound was more. And somewhere at the fag end of the auditorium, there was a girl who exactly emulated this person, the way he spoke, the way he put humor into it, and she just passed on the message to the person who was sitting next to her, to the next student. And she said, my name is Bond. James Bond nahi, chemical bond. So what happened over there was the amazing impact that teacher had on that student. I am talking over here about my chemistry teacher, Mr. Prem Khilnani. For him, his subject, chemistry, was not a subject. For him, it was complete passion. The way he stormed into the class and the way he delivered and the way he talked about his the concepts, we felt as if, you know, our lives revolved around carbon and its compounds. We felt as if there's no other subject in the world but only chemistry. We felt as if our lives depend on organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So that was the impact that he had on each one of us. That was a passion that just got rubbed onto us without even, I think, him knowing about it. Because when we are there with the children, I think our passion, our energy speaks more than anything else. And if I am a better educator, better person, better human being, I feel I owe it to him big time. Just a few days back, I called him to invite him to my podcast. And I was wondering that that call will be for, say, 5 minutes or so. And I spoke to him. We ended up talking for more than 45 minutes. And I told him, sir, you have made me feel like a 15-year-old again. And he said, why not? You will always be my student and we will always have that bond. So out of the amazing lessons taught by him, the most important one that has stayed with me for life till today is that the passion that you have for anything that you do in life will give you success, fulfillment, and happiness. And where does that passion come from? The passion comes from your voice, your behavior, your tonality, your energy, your feelings, your emotion, your connection. After all, what matters most is how you speak. You speak with conviction and you own your voice. So on behalf of AIEF, I welcome you to this orientation session on public speaking. I'll have to check who has to mute themselves. Let me check before sharing the screen. Miss Mukta Verma. Miss Mukta Verma. Miss Mukta Verma. You know, please mute yourself. Thank you, very kind of you. I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. So All India Educators Forum presents orientation session. Some insightful insights into the session. We got to speak to success and own our voices. So own your voice. What you are speaking, speak with conviction. Speak with confidence. That is what we want you to do. Just leave your inhibitions and just come forward. And if we talk about speakers, we have Tony Robbins, we have Dale Carnegie. Tony Robbins says it's not about the goal, it's about growing to become the person that can accomplish that goal. And Dale Carnegie says that remember that a person's name is to that person the sweetest and the most wonderful sound in any language. One word for them. One word for Tony and Dale. Can you think of any word that's coming out to, in your mind? You can always share in the chat or through chat, or you can just unmute yourself and say. Anything that comes to your mind? Energy, yes. Passion. Thank you for sharing that.
Confident.
And what about Ellen? Ellen and Oprah Winfrey, when we talk about perseverance. Thank you, Betsy. Yes, those are the words that come into our mind. And their shows are like Ellen's shows are based on humor. Oprah's show are intense. Super Soul Sunday is really intense. The way she interviews and such valuable insights you get through just watching that. And then we have our Desi boys, that is Shiv Khera and Deepak Chopra. So any words you want to share for them? Confidence, yes. Making a difference, Shaista Naveed says making a difference. Yeah, yes, they do. And here is my picture with Mr. Khilani in school. This was just taken a year just before Corona, so year before last, when we had our ex-student meet. I told him that he inspires me. Who inspires you? That would be interesting to know. Who inspires you? Come on, you need to have someone in your life whom you look up to. Come on, let's hear it out. Or let's read it out. Books, okay? Yeah, books inspire you. It's wonderful. Any other inspiration? Bob Proctor, wow. Tony Robbins, yes.
Abdul Kalam and Mother Teresa.
Abdul Kalam and Mother Teresa, amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah.
Vivekanand.
Vivekanand, yes. Any other person? Let me check the chat. Vivekanand, my father is my inspiration. Amazing. My mother, wow. The passion to be better than earlier. Yes. APJ Abdul Kalam, Sudha Murthy. Wow. Thank you for this awesome participation. So when we are talking about these people, they have their own styles. It's not necessary, you know, you go onto the stage and you perform and you speak and you jump around or you shout. Even a very toned down tonality, that also can make a huge impact on our students, on the people whom we are speaking to. So each person you mentioned had their own unique style. What we need to do is get your own unique umbrella for the rain or the sun or any weather. Get your individuality, naturalness, authenticity. That is what matters. And that is what is the strongest connection that you will ever have with your students or the people whom you are connecting to. So you need to add the spark and shine. Go live. So what we will do through this program, we will help you go live on StreamYard. We know there are a lot of YouTube videos and there are a lot of programs on public speaking. But here is a platform exclusively for the teachers, for the educators to come out and speak their mind, to speak what they feel, your thoughts, your ideas, your experiences. The world is waiting to listen to you. So you need to come on there and share it. I just shared about the session. The first session will be to fine tune yourself to the fundamentals of effective speaking. So here, voice modulation and the tone, the way you, all the body language, gestures, everything will be taken care. The pitch, everything will be taken care over here in the first session, and overcoming your inhibitions, how we can overcome these inhibitions. Session 2 will be focused on identifying your strength, your challenges, your niche. and enhancing your ability to assemble, arrange, plan, and apply the skill. So whatever you have gathered, we will help you out to arrange that, plan it, and apply. And session 3 will focus on powering up your action calendar, because we've got to focus on action over here. Not theory, yes, theory will be a part of it, but every session will be action oriented, because our ultimate goal is to take you online on StreamYard. That will be session 4, which is not mentioned over here, because session 4 will be online. It will not be like a session as on one-to-one session, or where there'll be a PPT or anything like that. It will be total live. So there is a method to the magic. I'll share some key points over here. The 5 essential components of speaking: the why, how, what, whom, and who. Why is very important. What brings you here? Why do you want to share your ideas? What is the purpose? How do you use the intonation, the sound, the voice, your the variations in the voice? What is your content? To whom are you speaking? Is your audience the kindergartners? Is your audience the teachers? Is your audience a set of principals? Or is your audience a general audience? You need to know that. And who is, like, who are you? Your identity. Generally, they have this, in the public speaking forum outside, they call it ETR, they call it earn the right. So over here at All India Educators Forum, we are focusing on the simple small steps. S3, as Jim Quick calls from Mindvalley, he says, take the simple small steps in life. Let this be yet another simple small step in your journey towards greatness. And then as you are traveling in this journey, you keep on earning the right. You keep on earning your honors, your badges, your whatever you may call it, the caps. Okay, so that is how you earn the right, gradually. We don't have to wait to reach a stage and then we will express ideas. No, start now with simple small steps. Know the 7 key factors that make you a confident speaker. So I draw immense inspiration from Stephen Covey. I will walk you through the 7 habits of empowered educators. So the 7 habits being proactive, keeping the end in mind, first things first, win-win, listening to understand, synergize, and sharpening the saw. So these 7 habits you need to have ingrained in yourself to go on. Interesting, effective, and practical ways of recalling and presenting. So again, these techniques you can share with your students also. Once you have a basic idea of, say, mind maps or recalling techniques, mnemonics, or then you gain confidence and work on your speaking style. And then we don't encourage you to read from somewhere. It's always what you speak from the heart. That's what is the strongest connection. Learning by doing. Again, this course focuses on action. That is the StreamYard Live. That is the goal for you. And we will make sure that each of you who joins this course, they will go live on StreamYard. So there will be guidelines and rehearsal before we go online. Think out loud. Each day I add more value to my life. Affirmations are generally underrated. Maybe because they don't give instant results. But over the years, if you maintain a journal, if you keep seeing and saying, repeating it to yourself, any affirmation, your mission statement for life, what is it? Write it down somewhere, say it. And while you're walking up the stairs, while you are cooking or gardening or doing something else, that should just play like a tune in the back of your mind, so that it just settles in your subconscious mind. That is important. Circle of control and circle of no control. Most of the time, we spend in circle of no control. This is what gives rise to worries and stress and depression, all those things. Weather is not under our control. What will people think or say? I think Sandeep Maheshwari said that in one of his speeches. सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, but लोगों का काम है कहना. So we don't have to worry about that. We don't have to focus on the rude comments or ridiculous comments, or someone made fun of us, or that's part of the game, that's part of life. Whenever we feel we are pulled out of this circle of control, gather yourself, come back, centralize to your thoughts, and come back to the circle of control. Your attitudes, your emotions, your response, choices, thoughts, action, feeling, decision is your control, under your control. Your height, voice, color of skin, who will win the match, football match, cricket match, God knows. But then main discussions are around this only. So we need to, whenever we find deviating us, our mind or thoughts are deviating from to the circle of no control. Of course, these things are important. You need to talk some, but don't make it the center point of your life. Come back to the circle of control. Circle of comfort. This is where we were a year back. Safety, security, things I enjoy doing, relaxation. Corona happened, and we were drawn into the circle of courage. We required to understand Microsoft Teams and Google, those slides, Google Slides, making PPTs and Zoom and all the functions, and we are through. So we have already got those badges to ourselves. We already have those, we are wearing those crowns. So we need to applaud ourselves also for that. And again, it is very important for us to understand the balance between circle of comfort and circle of courage. We don't even, I will prefer that you don't stay in the circle of courage for a longer time, because that is also stressful. It is very important for our mental well-being that we go to circle of courage, learn something new, try something difficult, take up one opportunity, and then come back to circle of comfort. So hop in, hop out. That will be a perfect balance for you in life. So how will you benefit from this program? So you just have to take the first actionable step. And Speak to Success program will predetermine your mind to success, familiarize you with core skills of public speaking, encourage you to make your classes more interesting, improve your personality, enhance your leadership skills, add value to your life and the life of your listeners, guide you to take further action. So these are the set of benefits that we believe that you will achieve. Classes will be on Tuesday and Thursday at 6:30 p.m. There will be 3 sessions on Zoom. Live session will be on StreamYard. You will get an e-certificate from ANEF. So keep investing in yourself, stay happy and blessed. Always have a growth mindset, go on and glow on. And investing in yourself, in your learning, very important. Even if you don't enroll for this course, enroll to a course which will enhance your skills, your personality. Look out, there are so many courses available. How is it going to help you? What is my niche? What is my need? And then go accordingly, spend on yourselves and take up a course, learn something, adding feathers to your cap. And now we are open to question answers. If anyone has any questions, you may ask. Thank you for being such an amazing participant. Thank you.
Japanese, it doesn't move, you can calm. If it doesn't move, you are calm. If it moves slowly, stress. If it moves fast, you will. हमारा move नहीं कर रहा है. हमारा भी नहीं कर रहा.
Nina, you can mute everyone.
Someone needs to mute themselves and
also stop share. The PPT can be stopped.
Okay, I'll just stop share. Yeah. Yes, we are back. So any questions? We are open to questions you may ask.
So this was just a gist of the program. Nina has explained it very beautifully. This is 4 sessions and somebody is asking about the course fee. This is, we had posted along with the post all said that the cost is 999, okay, 999 for the 4 sessions. So those who are not aware of the course fee, it is that, and you can pay by Paytm or GPay. Any other questions? If you want to ask, you can ask Nina about the program itself.
And all those who have registered already, there will be a WhatsApp group created for the registered participants.
Yeah, so there are many people who have already registered. We will be creating a WhatsApp group and we'll be adding them by tomorrow. So all those who wish can register today or maybe within 3-4 days, I think, isn't it, Nina?
Yeah.
Yeah, by Sunday at least. So if you can register by Sunday, I think that will be great so that we exactly know how many people are there. Because StreamYard, when we do the final session, there is a limitation that we can accommodate only 10 people. So ideally, we are looking at a batch size of 10, not students, but 10 teachers or 10 participants. Yeah. That's it, I think, Nina, if nobody is having a questions. Yeah, so if anybody is having a question, the group is there. So you can chat with Nina or you can post it in the group. We'll be more than happy to answer those questions. You can also put the personal messages in case you're uncomfortable in asking questions in the group. You're most welcome to ask one of us. We'll be more than happy to share further details on this.
Good morning. Good evening, sorry. I'm Savata this side. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, good evening, sir. I've been attending all your sessions. I really have been, enjoying everything about it. And Nina ma'am also. Sir, I just wanted to know was that in these sessions, what exactly, by the end, we have to present something. What exactly? Will be given a topic or what?
The topic will be given to you after 3 sessions, ma'am, as Nina has explained.
Yeah.
And we mutually decide on the topic. It's not that I will be giving the topic, nothing like that, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will be, what is your niche? What is your interest? It will be you focused, not we focused.
All right. Actually, I was having some Wi-Fi problems, so I couldn't hear it properly.
We'll be sending the recording also, ma'am. We'll be sending the recording also in the group shortly. Yeah. So in case anybody joined late or they missed out on some important information, we'll be posting the recording probably by 9 o'clock or so.
Sir, I am Uma. I am not a teacher, but I'm a retired engineer. But I have done teachers training to teach students in government course. So I would like to get into this public speaking session. So where the details are posted, sir?
Details, ma'am. Are you in the Speak to Success group, WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. I'm in that WhatsApp group, sir.
So Nina, probably you can share it once more because I think
definitely I'll share it with you, ma'am.
So we'll share all the details, the recording, the full details we'll be sharing once more. So in case you're interested, you can enroll for the course.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So the poster says Paytm. So there is a question only Paytm. So in case somebody is not having Paytm, they can GPay to my number.
What if we don't have GPay?
Any online transaction will be accepted. Whatever you want, we'll accept.
Okay,
GPay,
so
Paytm, bank transfer, whatever.
So for bank transfer, I'll need the information.
Yeah, we'll send.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Nina, this is
Sunanda.
Sunanda here.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
you
can
can
see your
say
picture. Beautiful picture.
Yeah,
Thank you
can
for
only see
joining,
my beautiful
Sunanda.
picture. You know, I suddenly remembered that 6:30 and it's 6:55, and I said, "Oh, I missed it."
Thank you for glowing the screen.
Acha, okay. I'll have to learn public speaking from you, Nina.
Come on.
But I enjoy watching your face, you know, that
Thank
I
you.
can't meet you regularly. So I said, okay, this is a nice way to meet Nina.
Thank you.
Okay. So you'll be posting this on, I'll watch that. You know,
Yeah, in the
actually I got
group.
delayed.
Yeah,
I got a
definitely.
little late, so I'll watch that, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, bye, Nina.
Okay, bye. Thank you. Any more questions? Okay. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Night.
We'll end the meeting. Bye-bye. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.